Hi everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skills Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: top translation tools for multilingual communication. Several top translation tools are highly regarded for their effectiveness in multilingual communication. Here are some of the best ones. 1. Google Translate supports over 100 languages, offers text, speech, and image translation, provides real-time translation through its mobile app. 2. DeepL Translation, known for its high-quality translations, especially for European languages, uses advanced AI to provide more nuanced translations, offers a pro version with additional features. 3. Microsoft Translator supports text, speech, and image translation, integrates well with Microsoft Office products, provides real-time translation for conversations. 4. iTranslate supports over 100 languages, offers text and voice translation, provides a phrasebook for commonly used expressions. 5. SDL Trado Studio, a professional translation software used by translators and companies, offers translation memory and terminology management, integrates with various CAT, computer-assisted translation tools. 6. SmartCat, cloud-based translation platform, combines CAT tools, translation, memory, and a marketplace for translators, facilitates collaboration on translation projects. 7. MemSource, cloud-based translation management system, offers machine translation post-editing, integrates with various CAT tools, and supports multiple file formats. 8. Lingui, a dictionary and translation search engine, provides context-based translations from real-world documents, useful for understanding how words and phrases are used in context. Each of these tools has its strengths and is suitable for different use cases, from casual translation needs to professional and business multilingual communication. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.